Something smells delicious. Kelly's Cuisine cooking the best dishes. Food and drinks, recipes so nutritious. Kelly's in the kitchen, so don't you miss it.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today I'm going to share with you a unique blend. We're going to be making a refreshing drink using the breadfruit and the soursop. Local ingredients. Today we're going to be making breadfruit and soursop punch. Now don't knock it till you've tried it. This is totally delicious. At my second book signing, this drink was a hit. I had persons coming to purchase the book by just sampling this drink. It is delicious. So now let's go over the ingredients. We have a quarter of a cooked breadfruit. We're going to peel it, cube it, and we're going to cook it with 1 stick of hard spice until it's nice and soft. We have 1 fully ripe soursop. We're only going to use half of it. We have 1 cup of almond milk. Now, if you don't have almond milk and you want to use evaporated milk, that is okay. Or if you want to use condensed milk, that is perfect. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And sugar to taste. Now, if you're using the condensed milk, you will not add additional sugar. Our first step is to prepare the soursop. Now, it's nice and soft. That is where you can tell that it is ripe, because it is so soft. As you press it, it completely goes in. So we're going to cut it. You can either cut it or you can just rip the skin apart because it is that soft. We're going to add it to a bowl. We're going to remove the seeds, and then we're going to add it to the blender. Make sure your hands are nice and clean if you're not using food gloves. Now we're going to add our soursop to the blender. We're going to add a little water and we're going to blend. It is so creamy and smooth. Now we're going to add the other ingredients. Now we have our soursop pulp. We're going to add our breadfruit, milk, and our spices. And then we're going to sweeten. Final touches, we're going to add our spices and some sugar. Now we're going to blend one final time. Our blend, our amazing soursop and breadfruit punch is done. Just look, thick, gorgeous, so tasty. We're going to add it to a glass of ice, allow it to chill, then we'll taste. I can definitely taste the soursop. Soursop will always take over. The breadfruit will help to give it body, but the soursop will definitely be stronger. Refreshing, light. Breadfruit and soursop drink. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this drink, I want you to look over here, see some of my other drinks. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.